why were you grumpy last time?
I wasn't. I was concentrating on driving.
Oh, yeah. Ganun lang talaga yan siya sumagot, guys. That's just how he is, but he is actually very sweet, kind, loving husband. Mula nung nag-vlog kami, guys, last time, grabe, hindi na talaga tumigil ang ulan. So, Habi and I are going to see one of the gaps to check kung gaano nga ba karami ang tubig doon.
To all my friends out there, kamusta you ooks?
And also, my husband was telling me yung ano daw, yung problema sa shortage ng food sa grocery ay lalong lumala. So, we will check again later kung gaano na nga ba kalala. But this time, it's not because of the COVID situation, but it's because of the flood, guys. Diba nakita niyo yun sa vlog namin last time? Yung train na dumaan, yun yung nagdadala ng mga food supply namin dito, ang mga grocery items. But then again, the train tracks are ruined because of the heavy rain that's been going on for days. Kaya ano naman, limited na naman ang food supply. So come with us to the grocery, okay? But this time, we're going to the gap first. So yan po ang tanawin natin sa labas. Showing a little bit of what it looks like on the way to the gap to check the water. Dito na po kami ni Habi, guys. So maglalakad tayo ng 20 minutes.
Ay,
Maglalakad tayo ng 20 minutes.
mawan.
Tapos ayun na. Tingnan natin kung anong itsura ng Simpsons Dock after the rain. Finally, guys, this one makes sense now. No swimming. Normally when we come here, we laugh because why? There's no water. But this time, check that out. Maraming tubig. Simpsons Gap. Beautiful. I don't know if you can see it, guys, pero may mga fish dyan, guys. Amazing how they survive. Masyadong tubig dito. Ang tubig dito, they don't stay long. So, yeah, you always wonder why they're here. There is Hubby. Darren, can you wave? Wave. Ay, sobrang layo. Diyan kami nag-picnic. Ninalunin yung last time. Tapos ito, wala itong tubig dito. So I think yung mga isda galing dyan sa water hole kasi yung water hole dyan where Hubby is, hindi naman yan nawawala ng tubig. Tapos dahil sa ulan, nabunod sila. So, yung tubig na to, nawawala rin ng mga ilang araw. I wouldn't go there, Darren. Look, I can't even see anything. No, thank you.
Beautiful.
Hanggang dun yan, guys. Pinako-apak, guys, kasi yung shoes ko. So, guys, tapos na po tayo sa Simpsons Gap. This time ay papunta na tayo sa coast. I-check natin kung totoo ba ang balita na wala na daw ang stocks, na nagkakaubusan na naman daw. Kung gaano ka-empty yun last time, It is emptier this time. Hi, Dar.
Yes. Rain clouds there coming in.
Yan na naman, uulan na naman guys. Oh. Kailan pa kaya ito titigil ng ulan na to? Wala na kaming makain.
What's that, Tim?
What did I just say? Can you translate?
It's pretty wild out there. Gonna be some black clouds. Lots of rain. As you can see, I understand nothing. It is black clouds though.
See, grabe. At yan na nga po guys. Ang mga storm chasers ay napasuko na po mga kaibigan. Look at this. Look how heavy the rain is, my darling. Are you alright? Can you see anything?
Nah, I just closed my eyes. Well, that is strong. Oh my god. That is strong.
So guys, bababa muna ang mga storm chasers kasi may nakita kaming mga very cute ponies and horses. Tingnan natin guys. Hopefully di tatakbo guys. Isang horse pumunta. Hello little pony. How are you? Would you like some little tiny grass? Here. Here, Bobby. Ay. Lala na gaway. Ay mo pag-away. You don't like grass? Honey, we should have bought some carrots. Hello? Little tiny ponies? You don't like this? Laki naman ito eh. Hello?
That's his baby.
So are those ponies or babies?
Hi.
Are these ones here, are they ponies?
Oh, that shit up man.
Gino ka, mag-kiss ka sa camera. Hi! Hi! Hello? Hi! Ayan guys, oh, it's so cute, the pony. Eh? Kinikiss niya yung camera guys, ito. Itong horsey na to. Yes, okay. That looks different. Half black, half white. Black, white, and brown. Did you see the horse?
It's gorgeous.
Yun guys, so yung isa. Brown.
They're fighting each other.
Bye-bye. Bye. Nandito na kami sa town guys. Ayan ulit ang Kmart. Tumila na ang ulan. Pagbalik na naman ulit yan mamaya. Yan naman yung Woolies. Dito tayo sa kabila. Dito tayo sa Coles.
Not many cars at Coles.
Wala daw masyadong cars kasi wala daw empty daw. So we'll see kung totoo ba itong sabi niya. What are those things at the back, honey?
Yeah.
The back of the car. Those ones, the black.
I thought it was going to get out of business, which we never win.
Donate pala daw niya yan sa second-hand shop yung nasa likod. Mga damit at mga stuff. Tapos ako lang din mismo magsha-shopping. He donates everything, all of my clothes at Venice, and I'll buy it again. Ayan eh.
That's what I'm going to do.
So tara na guys, pasok na tayo sa Coles. Ang linis naman ito guys, so. So, what are you gonna get? Look at his basket, guys. Mag-i-imagine na lang daw kami nito guys, na nagsha-shopping kami. Because it's all empty. Shocking. Wala talaga. Yes. Meron kaming isang makuha guys. Ito. Pumpkin. Frozen niya. Wala din. Empty. Ito naman tayo sa meat guys. Wala talaga. Ubos. But we do have bread.
I already got bread at home.
You do?
Unbelievable shelf that. Nothing here. No milk. Condensed milk, that's it.
Hey you guys! Thank you so much once again for watching our video. Hope you enjoyed it. Pasensya na po kayo guys ha, hindi na po namin na-end yung video. Basta yun na nga po yun. Wala pa rin mga supplies ang aming mga grocery stores. And pahirapan pa rin ang pagbili ng mga food supplies and even our cleaning supplies sa bahay. Hopefully, in the next few days ay darating na po yung mga produktong kailangan namin. Kaya nga lang dahil nga po nasira yung daanan ng tren, they said it will take at least 2 weeks or more bago yun ma-repair lahat. And then we will finally have our food supply kasi alam niyo naman, nandito kami sa disyerto, nasa middle kami. Our food supplies come from South Australia and Darwin, which is like saying from Singapore to Manila or Hong Kong to Davao, ganun kalayo. Kailangan talagang gamitan ng train. So anyway, kailangan talaga namin yun, otherwise we'll end up just not eating anything. So at sana tumigil na nga po yung ulan. Yung amount of rain na na-experience ng Alice Springs, it's like saying 75% of the rain that we should have in a year, we've had it for just few days. Ganun katindi yung ulan. Grabe, ang green na ng Alice guys, hindi na siya disyerto. Anyway, without further ado, let's do our shoutout. So our first shoutout ay kukunin po natin from our shorts video, Why Jealousy is Bad. So, kung nag-comment po kayo doon, ay nandito po ang inyong mga pangalan. So, our first shoutout goes to, ano po siya? Barbs M. Tado. Our second shoutout goes to Florendo Bakay. Shoutout to you. Our third shoutout goes to Mick Naob. Shout out to you, Mick. Our fourth shout out goes to, ito na po siya, Lorenzo Adenip. And our last shout out goes to, for this video, Kampilanan Jeje. Shout out to you, Jeje. So our next shoutout guys ay kunin naman natin from the video Weird or Interesting Fun Facts About Brunei. So kung nag-comment po kayo doon ay nandito po ang inyong mga pangalan. Let's do it! First shoutout goes to Maricel Ubas. Shoutout to you, Maricel. Our second shoutout goes to Odette Ako. Shout out to you, Odette. Our third shout out goes to Rowie Gel. Shout out to you, Rowie Gel. Our fourth shout out goes to wait guys. You are the reason. You are the reason. Shout out to you. And our last shout out goes to Librado Campilanan. Shout out to you, Librado. So ang last video ay from Dear Ate Dar episode 48. So kung nag-comment po kayo doon ay nandito po ang inyong mga pangalan. 5 po ulit na masisipag mag-comments ang ating bubunutin. Ito na po siya. First one goes to Selji and Jelmarie Channel. Selji and Jelmarie Channel, shout out to you. Second shout out goes to Stay the Same. Shout out to you, Stay the Same. Our third shout out goes to Yan Esbra Iskrabiken. Our fourth shout out goes to Wizzy Romeo Concepcion. Shout out to you, Wizzy Romeo Concepcion. And our last shout out goes to May Angel Campilana. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!